Let's go over what Will It Buttplug is about. This is a games review show, but we are not reviewing the graphics and the audio and the mechanics of a game. Instead, we are reviewing how well the game controls sex toys. We're using a piece of software called the Game Vibration Router that's available at buttplug.io. It works with any Windows PC game that can control an Xbox game controller and does not have anti-cheat mechanisms in it. What this software does is reroutes vibration commands going to the gamepad to sex toys that work with the Buttplug library. Those sex toys are listed on the Buttplug.io website. When a game makes the gamepad vibrate, it will also make these toys vibrate, or at some point in the future can also work with stroking toys like the Fleshlight Launch. What we are reviewing is when you play this game, how well will it control a sex toy while you're playing it? Are there game mechanics that are added because you're trying to get off while playing the game versus just playing it for score or to finish it or to get achievements or whatever else? Our rating system consists of 0 to 2 butt plugs. The first butt plug is all about basic vibration. Does the game make the gamepad vibrate enough to actually control a sex toy in order to be interesting? The second butt plug is all about the je ne sais quoi of sex toy game control. Does the game make interesting patterns? Can you actually get off by using certain game modes? Things like that. A game will receive anywhere from 0 butt plugs, which means it's just not worth it at all, to 2 butt plugs, which actually means the game transcends into the realm of art. With that in mind, let's get started.